Hello everyone and welcome to my room. This is a bit of an unusual video and I am filming this entire video using only the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra with its rear-facing cameras for this entire video. It is filmed in 4K 60 FPS. Yes, it is going to be a pain to edit with this machine even though it's quite powerful, but nonetheless, I said that I'll be doing a full review of the video capabilities of this phone right now. So here is that video. Now, at first I planned to actually go back to the studio and film this entire video, but well, it's Chinese New Year and I'm way too bored at home, so might as well film the video like this just to show you how the video capabilities of this phone actually is by filming an entire video using just only this phone. And I was thinking, what should I actually talk about in this video, because you still need to see the samples and whatnot. So I decided to talk about this thing. Charger. Yep, it is the charger situation about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, no, actually the entire Galaxy S21 series, and also all of the other smartphones that are not going to come with chargers in the very near future. Number one, I would say that people are still not entirely, how do you say this? It's not entirely ready for not having chargers included in the box of the phone, which I kind of understand. So this transitional period is a bit painful for many people, but for some who already have lots of chargers like I do, because behind me here I think you can see charger, Pringles, potato chips, power plugs, don't mind that. Yeah, I have all of those chargers with me, but I am very sure that a lot of people don't have that many chargers. How do I say this? I would suggest you to actually invest one in a very good charger so that you won't have to worry about charging issues in the future. For example, I highly recommend you to get this one. This is the Ugreen 65 watts GAN charger. And the reason why I recommend you to get this charger is because this charger, as you can see right here, there are a total of 4 ports. So there are a total of 3 Type-C ports at the top. So you got 65 watts max, 65 watt max, then I think the third one is 18 and 18. The fourth one is a Type A port actually. So why I recommend you to get this is because it can output a maximum of 65 watts. So if you plug in 4 at once, they will split the power between all 4 of them. And this is a really good charger because it solves one, not only the smartphone charger problem, and number two, it's also portable. So you can go travel and charge multiple devices with just one charger. And number three, this charger here supports USB PD and USB PD and PPS standards actually. So as you can see here, this blue cable is connected to this laptop here. Then you can see laptop battery is draining. Then I plug this blue cable in. Look. Whoop. Yep, it's charging. That is the wonders of using this kind of standardized charging protocols. For example, USB PD. USB PD PPS is actually a substandard of USB PD, and it just works. As you can see, just plugging in the compatible charger, if you're all using the same standards, it works. And again, that is the reason why I do not like proprietary chargers for fast charging. For example, those USB Type A ports with 65 watts output, and you need their proprietary USB Type A to Type C cable, the thick ones, they are expensive, not cross-compatible, so in case anything happens to your phone or charger, you need to get the exact same replacement, which is gonna be expensive. And I do agree that using this kind of open standard chargers will kind of affect innovation because it's difficult to get the entire industry to adopt to one single standard, but it is for the greater good. Okay, so that's all about the charger situation, but I want to take you through a tour of my room. So let's switch the camera around. And now you're looking at the rear of my desk. Yes, it's a mess. Here's the desktop. Yes, it's also a mess there. Yeah, some snacks and whatnot. And here you can see this is a real big monitor. I'll leave a review at the top right corner here. This is just a, I forgot what brand is this, but yeah, it's there. And then my speaker, another review at the top right corner there. I've been using this for a year. Yeah, a year. They're really good. This is a charging pad. I also like them a lot. So as you can see here, this is the contact pins. Leave them on top of this charging pin and then it will charge automatically. It's wireless, but it's contact based. And then external SSD, gamepad. Actually, I have a lot of gamepads. As you can see here, I still have another one for review coming soon. Yeah, a lot of stuff there. And here are the two things that I want to show you. This is the Galaxy Buds Live. I reviewed it late last year, yeah, when it was released. Design is good, but sound quality wise, it's a bit of a novelty item. It's a semi-open design. Samsung promoted ANC on this thing, but yeah. And then there's also the Galaxy Buds Pro. Again, review coming soon. I don't want to open it too long because it's gonna connect to this phone right now. And this is the usual microphone that I do voiceovers with. Nintendo Switch, I play games on it a lot. Osmo Pocket, Galaxy Watch Active, first generation, phone, wireless charger, more phones. And here, this one is an external monitor made by ViewSonic. This is the TD1655, which I actually highlighted a few weird quirks about the monitor, but I came to understand that portable monitors are really useful, especially for cases like this, so I can look at myself, how I'm actually framing the shot, and then also to use it as, let's just say, quick troubleshooting for PCs and laptops, or maybe if I just need an extra screen to do work. This kind of external monitor is just irreplaceable. And since we're here, why not just test the microphone on the Galaxy Buds Pro, right? Because on the Pro video mode of this phone, you can actually select a few different microphone modes as well. So this part of the video is recorded entirely using only the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro with its microphone in Pro video mode on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Yes, Pro video mode, you can select which microphone you want to use. So as far as I know, there are a total of 5 of them before this. And you can select the rear-facing microphones, omnidirectional microphones, which means all of the microphones are recording, only the front-facing microphone to record your selfie videos, and then you can also select external microphones, and then there's one more that you can actually select using only the Bluetooth microphone, so like what I'm doing now, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and then you can also select one new mode for the microphones, which is to use both the phone's microphone and also this Galaxy Buds Pro or Bluetooth connected ones, and use them both simultaneously and record them into one single audio track. Yes, that is quite unfortunate because it's gonna be mixed down into a single microphone audio. I do wish there's an option to separate both microphones into 2 audio tracks. For example, one for the Galaxy Buds Pro on one single audio track, and then the second audio track will be only from the phone itself, so you can switch between them at will. But unfortunately, that's not possible. And I'm also using the Pro video mode in fully auto now, only the microphone is changed, and it's looking pretty good. I mean, this phone's video capability is just amazing. And over the weekend, I got bored and I took some videos of the dog and made a really quick TikTok video entirely using only this phone and also a selfie stick that I'm holding on my hand right now. That video came out surprisingly well. I recorded that video entirely on 1080p 60 fps and then slowed it down by half back to 30 fps using 50% speed just for that tiny little bit of slow-mo. That video turned out good, and I will leave a link at this part of the video here, or maybe I just embed the video on this video itself so you can watch it right now while I'm talking to you. I mean, the video editing process can be done using the phone, but I just prefer Premiere Pro a lot more. The S Pen actually helps me to trim the video a lot faster because those dogs move around, so having an S Pen to trim off those excess parts will definitely help me in the video editing process, so I don't have to scrub through all of those quote-unquote useless parts of the video. And one more thing I want to highlight is that a lot of people are saying that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series of smartphones will get hot when you open the camera app, and I would say that that's actually very normal. So what Samsung does to all of their smartphones is that when you open the camera app, it will automatically go into full brightness, 100% brightness, and then also go maximum performance on the CPU and GPU so that you won't have any lag while taking pictures or videos at the same time. And that is to provide you the best possible experience, of course at the cost of some heat. You will definitely feel heat after taking some pictures or videos when you touch at the back of the phone. That is completely normal. Do not fret. That is just something that I would say if you're gonna have no lag, so you pretty much go into high performance mode, you're gonna get some heat, that's just normal. And yeah, I mean, that's the whole video capability situation of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And by looking at what I'm recording right now on the external monitor, it actually looks pretty good. And I'll give you a tour of my messy room. There's the bed, there's the Sonos, that one's the Sonos, and a lot of messy stuff here. So yeah, that's the whole video capability. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, stay safe everyone, remember to wear a mask, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, review for the Galaxy Buds Pro will be coming hopefully before the end of February. Yeah, goodbye.